So shout out to them, the Dolphin Boat, Dickie Dre and his crew, Big Tail. Shout out to them, Big Tail Fishing Club. Go check them out. I'm about to clean up a couple of fishes. Using adobo, citrus garlic, roasted herbs and garlic, just garlic and herbs, citrus, coconut oil inside here. Massage the meat in, massage the fish in the seasoning.
Get out!
This way first, and then
I said pig. I said it tastes like pig, not pig.
a little bit, let it cook a little bit. When they fillet, they cut me.
How do you do that?
Fry it up.
How do you do
Let the lid sit a little bit.
that?
First take. Delicious. So delicious. All the juices still locked in. Nice. I can't even talk. So delicious. With AJ.